At a press conference held today, the independent candidate from Mawlai constituency, Tarsisius Mawlot, had enlightened the public on the ideology that he stands for and the reason why he is contesting from an unfamiliar constituency other than his hometown, Mairang. While addressing media persons, Tarsisius Mawlot informed that he believes in the ideology of equality amongst all classes of people insofar as employment and opportunities are concerned. Mawlot further cited reasons of his independent candidature through his life experiences wherein he had witnessed that till date all elected representatives are more focused on developmental activities rather than on policy making.
Hadin kajing bom hunsyo ya ka sensar kadal kumbakalong ngalapan pau ya kini raslemba nadu kisnam syajar kendai spa kendai punyo agapor baka sorkar jungi karakhe kijing dap arposan snem jongka jingyo ya kejela bopura ngala syatngan ngte ha state central library baki babon ki press ka to kopor ki da wan ban interview ya kada jong ki syatngan ngalapan I ya kada ka ba kijing kerdu kam jong ki sama ka ba sorkar kam don ya kar kom perkhat ka ba syai kumno ban kentiu ki sama baka bahakam bahajam ka de ban long ikor lalangi ong ka hok long beriu man beriu ka de ban long kajo I barok khaj kum taru ka hok ban yo kam yo jam ka de ban long kajo ten rek kum baka long hagani ka state jungi kam long kum ta nang ta sakawai ngali I baka jing perut phut jong sarkar na kawai ka por sa kawai ka por mendai tang mentah de na ru ki por ki ba manswa mentah kal kham palat ho de na ru ki por ki ba manswa kejing perut pot ke babon ke tang hakikam ke ba tang kita ki development ke bamut ba kata ke kentian development ngila sothuk ba klai kata ba ki nong ni khmat jungi ki bangi jiet ba kin long ki nong thau ai kila ino no ya ke main subject but kila lai saka additional subject ke balong tang ke development ka ba ke main subject ke bangi jiet ki ke long ban thau ai mangi pat jusyam ki bayap thangan ki breu ki ba ki bayap thangan na ke development hendai ki babon ki bayap thangan ki dei na ka daw jong ke jing bombiang ki ai bombiang ki polisi kumno ban bahakam bahajam kumno ban pli kilat khai ban pli kilat trikam bat kumta ter na ka banta ki samla